Arts Workfly.
What you will be seeing is Jamaica Day display based on different subject areas. This is me with my waist length here out on Jamaica Day.
Yeah.
I know the pudding that you're talking about, the caramel and top and brown sugar. Yes, but sir, it is in the back in the olden days. It doesn't have to have the caramelized butter and sugar and
I
top.
thought you were doing something depicting our Jamaican culture.
But it is.
No, that seems modernized and something like you use AI and do. I'm just saying, for our kids today who can't bake, I'm just saying, but you can bake, so do the right thing, right?
Yeah, what you call it, that tell say you're talking.
But I am in the field of culinary arts. And you could not give.
If you can identify the ones that I did, comment down below and you will receive a heart in the comment section. On this day, the teachers were very creative and they put their all into whatever they were doing. Excellent job, teachers.
I can't go boil the soup. Hey, 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 hey.
Let's go ahead and display and ask. Brushstrokes on a canvas bright, colors blend in morning light. Dreams take flight with every try. Spread your wings, let's reach the sky. The sketches turn to masterpieces. In your hands the magic ceases. Every line and every curve gives your art the shape it deserves. Fly with heart up to the sky. With each creation we can try. Success in every hue and cry. Together we are artwork fly. Hands that guide and hearts that feel. Through the struggle, through the zeal. Every painting tells a story of the journey to your glory. Shadows dance and highlights sing. From the deepest soul we bring a vision clear for all.
Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.